The part you say, theories don't bring wealth. We have Omamu, Professor Senna Wiska.
No more body waiting there.
Metimida Omamasua maker in terms of addition. So addition is the Gabriel, upon intellectuals. One now, why you Chrome have Bobodin the despite Cashman or pursue education after he has succeeded in life, not before. And the time, Chamaun to me, I'm say, or chairman, I said to Chamaun to me, chairmanship. A BSc as an original. I don't think. A BSc as an original. Yeah, Motu Amasi, the Bravo. Look, what and leadership is not about things, and I have discovered one thing by research. What the white man brought us was to make us slaves. To be a school, be a no than we are enslaved. A bit of COVID by a kind of slaves. Economists, slaves. BBR, slave. And that is how ignorant we are. We have professorial titles, we have doctorate titles, but yet we know nothing. We find ourselves writing books and quoting statements and speeches of the white man. The black man who is endowed with proverbs never uses his own proverb. And a professor it is our problem. That is it. It is beautiful. We have to read it. So the point is that Ghana needs a leader who can create wealth. Ghana needs a leader who will say it as it is. Mekaze Kennedy say unya asema no hini be to masina banifie so be dey. Could they go to him? No. Say asema be say e kwa adwato. Odi kozi kade u kwa adwato say e ko change you from one ministry to another. Na say reshuffling ba na adwato amkrofo bokentem asalai ade a ye deshi no ye pese u maintain you ha. How can you go together to Japan and make such a plea? Nanka, ultimate PhD. Patriotism, honesty, and discipline. And so, please, let us not risk. You see, as a party, we need government. And to rule is to get a leader whom you can sell. We should all agree, say, economic factors, which will not necessarily be a matter of inefficiency. Actually, na perception is a woman edition of Sana Mubani. One more can now, Omudi Mutintiman, yet Timisan to Omniaco, a Jomusi Coton Motum, Kennedy near, Power near, Montumano, Namotumana, or my name call Yanfo, Chami Bihum was me NDC, Metisa Casa to Minadi, a ye, oxygen seems to 2 years. Yeah, this year the Metibi was so Kennedy as must me catch on me NDC super could be Sana. Yeah, we Kennedy made Jai Abedi much platform be a man. I know the all singers is aye. Not just our workers our hand no two Otia Masako Bo Kennedy. And or say any buyer or Jan a party na BDH. And that is not the only person. I called him the second JJ somewhere. And it had a reason. You call him the second JJ? Yes. And this is for me by more. Some in my ID card and I'm so me blood, you know. My system needs hand fa sa party no and to me nemum movie say a failure. I'm telling you, we are bringing a second JJ ne home na ID second JJ no na so nim second JJ we are Keda meboa we are bringing somebody with the attributes of a Keda to rule this nation. The philosophy behind why you join the Keda, somebody else is an NPP who has those values. He is coming. Me board the say lawyer what can say more and then me can't say much TFO. There's only one person who can rescue this country. He's called Kennedy Japan. He will bring all the business community on board. And the wisdom that got them to create wealth for themselves, they will create it for Ghana. The theories are over. The learning of the white man's mind would never build Ghana. Ghana can be built by its own indigenous minds. Ghana se be ya entity ni mu ni ye bin ene de be buma anya obi agbo share dia abobotai ke kabrofo ye fa mu man ye try ni baby anya ye Ghana ene yate de Canadian Japan so person nso be kura franca me fa ma me 4 years hwade se Ghana be se ne tie ya Oyando Oyinba ene the lawyer baby a what yesie no what you want so me nim say na obeka say lawyer can say nipa wa ko pe e be beti ma je Ghana NDC beti ma turn no uzu lawyer ko lawyer tem lawyer to so lawyer kan nyina
me say nipa ni tinya boyfriend
say what you dey so say what you dey so
nipa ni tinya boyfriend ana wa pa ma hu de me ni say adru we na we na me nim eti na me so ne so ba oheba me come what you say Dr. Baumia
sorry Dr.
yes that is how no here but yet what started PhD and yes we are do no it's not about paneba usu timi kobi now mama ko say dun katia de no so hwe I say dun katia no won ya na ye kan e bi obi beka say papa na nyini nti ni kwa say ne kasasa ai and there when he's old enough to be my father but wicked enough not to be my father mama can say bi nchira what can hold that say why is it that the NDC people omo attain power omo go through omo hierarchy na no man say so omo busuafo nyina ko go abrochiri if they meant good for Ghana Rollins buy was say ne man nyina ko go abrochiri say ye de yen hiafo mangu Ghana na ne bazinato enkoye doctor no mbedi yeso. And in fact, people of Kolekrote see nothing wrong with what went on. Eda so koto abama zinato. So mbedi obi ane papa de omani sika at the expense of you. And so ane kwa ye chi no wase na dafu broni bi na ehwe no. No aba monto aba mame. Na odi a wo mame de mani sika ne bi de wo kwa brochira enke umbeye mampenu asa koto aba no de ama no. Oba no wanka kire mu se kole Laguna da hono wo be ye ni cleaning the way so what na so say meba what na so how many years ni mummy enfa no nto nchen I say dun katia said the maker no wo ye wicked man na ono no ambition say obe lead NDC na wa ba be ye flag bearer enye mahama ho no odwini o because wo hwe short na say dun katia beto say they went to court omuni evidence biana opeso o catch say Mahama, excuse my language, is useless in terms of presidency and candidacy say yemfa no embe just mampany because opeso o kire say Mahama ye jai Ghana man obese no why na adwen say opeso o say Ghana because ya to abawe peacefully na mutimi koka kire ye say abano mawi ni abra mokra no munkika mesi NDC no let us dare them say 1992 year to about 96 year to about 2000 year to about 2004 year to about 2008 year to about 2012 year to bisa one a single collation of these elections omunyama they cannot and they have never they always win elections from electoral commission they bring there. They have never themselves gathered any pink sheet. In any case, I say don't get your case or beka you know. Or say or machine no e crash here meboa. Thank you. I say don't get your the answer but to answer my beka you know. Ah? Sa you know true na entimi antina umu once and tro no kura ba mu entimi ntina you let it out. Ubeka ye no ye de nyansa to ho ne wakasa say dun katia kache so mo computer crash ye me pa chaw wo kwata untimi mfa computer nkotena ho se wo de kwaya dance ye from my computer o. That is why in 2012 NPP kono na wo computer but we never went there with computer. We went there with certified pink sheet from the electoral commission. And do the computer kwa electoral commission can just tell you say oh I don't know the computer. I have not issued any computer out. And this our computer crashing and now you had the pink sheet from your various voting centers, polling stations. Now, what prevented you from going to court with a pink sheet? Mokasi ya Jimmy Modi adi be diagro. Pink sheet na ba umiadi kwa chile. Afarijan sa abatu oni we wiemu no. Afarijan no ajitu mu se we wiemu no. Eno mo anyabi. And I said, no, so my computer crashing and it's crashed with a pink sheet. You think we are Sabi Jimmy for you? Wow. Anyway, you are talking to the NDC people, shallow-minded people, so you can easily convince them on that. But yeah, from the other side, NPP there, Masa Adwini door deep. You cannot just talk. You cannot just talk. Now, NDC has a little over 6 million core, let's say, sympathy.